Hello, gentlemen. Today is the first time Bitcoin's news from 𝐒𝐭𝐚, the media now. So let's do it extremely quick, but it's important to have a look into it. So what's happening in 𝐒𝐭𝐚 around the cryptocurrency? Titan of Crypto is saying that the Bitcoin has regained the bullish momentum. It has only stayed above the Tenkan and Kijun, but both lines now trending upward. So the bullish Kumo cloud is thickening while trending upward as well, and this is a strong sign of continuation. 104 is a level to break. Then Benjamin Coven, the only indicator you need to know for 2020 in Bitcoin 2024 is 2023. So basically, when you compare year-to-date return on investment, Bitcoin is following exactly the same chart. The same author, Benjamin Coven, Bitcoin is still tracking the year-to-date average of prior halving years. It looks almost the same. Then Ash Crypto. Donald Trump is calling for 150,000 Bitcoin. BlackRock is advising 2% of allocation Bitcoin to the portfolio. Several states are planning to create a Bitcoin reserve. ETFs are buying 500 million watt Bitcoin daily. And Saylor is going crazy, right? Together with the miners. So that all means the price will go much higher. According to Ash Crypto, by end of 2025, and according to analysis I showed before, it's around September Q4 next year, Q3, Q4, he's showing around 220. We'll see. Vivek is comparing internet versus Bitcoin adoption, and Bitcoin adoption looks much faster than internet. Again, Titan of Crypto. Next markup is loading. Bitcoin is consolidating around 100,000, which is psychological level, and preparing for the next leg up. Choppy zone, trade cautiously, especially with leverage. That's also what I try to say. Now is a choppy zone, you need to pay attention. It's difficult to put the futures order really for Bitcoin because even 1 week, like we had the beginning of the week, is really crazy. But we look like 120, 130 could be in an option as a next move. But it could be also in January. That's also what analysis I will show. So very similar analysis to one I showed to you yesterday and I will show today. Bitcoin archive, hear me out. So it's comparing the days of the cycles, and yes, 2017 cycle is very similar to the current. So it's still way ahead of us in terms of the gains, and it's fully confirming our analysis. Again, Ash Crypto, now we go to Bitcoin dominance. I show you this chart many times. He's just comparing. We had a top, we are going down. Let's see if this will happen, but it looks like this. BlackRock and Ash Crypto. Ethereum ETF hits 3 billion in inflows. And experts saying 15,000 for Ether is possible in this bull run. 15,000 and currently is 4 means almost 4 times. Even if you put the average price, the bearish view on the price, let's say the triple of the current price is really possible, like 12K, and even twice of this, like 8K. So it's still amazingly to hold it here, and I do the same and recommend to do the same. Also, if you want to have alt season, Ether must go up, I told you. So I think 15,000 is definitely possible. Then Mustache is showing the altcoin market cap. That also I've shown you many times. 2014-18 is extremely similar to the current situation, and that's exactly what I'm also expecting. Look how the banana zone looks after the consolidation. So also that's what I expect. Feb March is the first month to see this, and maybe even January. The same author, Mustache is showing total tree, which has formed 3 years inverse head-and-shoulder pattern. That's how it is, right? That's the data. And I fully agree to this. I hope you too, right? So as you see, there are some pullbacks here. This is the 2-weekly chart, means 1-2 is 1 month. We had a breakout. If we consolidate December, it makes sense. January, maybe start low and then go high. Jan, Feb, March. It's exactly what I would suggest. And I would try to trade it that way. Crypto Rover, Ethereum had a golden cross, which shows the momentum to the upside. Then we have a Sensei. again, he's showing the Bitcoin dominance falling. We saw it before. The same author, same analysis. Many people are doing the same data, but the data is the data, right? So Crypto Rover is showing and breaking. BlackRock bought 200 million worth of Ethereum just single day yesterday. There is a lot of buys for Ethereum ongoing. So that's something we have to be aware about, right? 15K can be loading. Sensei, art season loading, we know about it. Max, RDA for Ether, what is 6K? It's just the beginning. But yes, it definitely could be like a little bit of consolidation and then pump it Feb, March, or January. Let's have a look. And large derbies, the crypto market is headed towards 10 trillion market cap, which is definitely possible. And that would be the last chart for today. So as you see, my profile is just starting. We have 360 followers. That's the first news video. We'll be growing the audience, growing you guys. I will do my best to show you all news. If you like me, like the news I'm sharing to you, please follow the profile and talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.